Hey Dude Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a reversible octopus plushie. And you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, Teeturtle. And then here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. And you can see how the product is all nicely compressed. But let's open this up and take it out to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. And you can see how cute the product is when you guys first get it. And like I mentioned, for the product is reversible, so you do have the option to use it on this side. And if you guys want to push it in, you guys can push it all the way in, and now you guys can flip it on the other side that looks like this. And if you guys really think about it, the product not only works as a plushie, but also works as stress ball as well. So if you guys are like stressed, you guys can definitely just squeeze on it to kind of release some stress if you guys do want to. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like when you guys do reverse it. So whether if you guys want to be happy or if you guys want to flip it to the other side, to show people your mood based on the actual plushie, you do have the option available. They do have a lot of different design in terms of motion on the actual product. I got the happy and angry one right here. But you can see for the product, it's very easy and very simple for you to use it. You can definitely put this on your desk, whether at home, in office, or anywhere else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.